Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something scary, messing up at work. Yeah, we all make mistakes, but how you handle them makes you a pro. I've got my best friend here to help us out. We are using our special double loop method to get you fluent fast. Here is how it works. First, listen to me. Second, repeat slowly with my friend. Third, I will say it again. Finally, my friend says the whole sentence normally. It is super effective. Before we start, please smash that subscribe button and give us a like. Ready to fix some mistakes? Let's go. I just made a huge mistake.
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 Let me fix that right away.
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 Could you please double check?
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 I sent that email to everyone.
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 Please tell me you are joking.
Please tell me you aren't joking.
Please tell me you are joking.
Please tell me you are joking.
I really wish I was kidding.
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 Okay, just take a deep breath.
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 Should I hide under my desk?
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 No, you have to own it.
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 I will apologize to the boss.
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 Be honest and keep it simple.
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 I am so sorry about this.
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 It was a complete accident.
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 I am fixing the problem now.
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 It will not happen again.
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 See, there was no need to panic.
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 I definitely need a strong coffee.
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 You are buying lunch today.
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 Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
Keep practicing these phrases and your confidence will grow fast. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Keep smiling and keep learning.